Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for art and craft supplies business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design and customize your site. So first of all, you have to start from here, build with Wix editor. So you can start with the AI. So it's gonna ask you questions and you can write the answer here. So it's gonna help you to build your site. So I'm gonna try to set up without AI. So let's start together. Let's set up without AI. So here you can enter your business type or your website type. Okay, so here you can uh, select your business, so it depends on your business. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, online arts and craft supplies store. So let's continue. Enter your business name. Do you already have an online store or not? Choose if you already have one or not. Okay. What would you like to sell? Physical products. Okay, let's continue. Where would you like to sell? Okay, choose wherever you like, online store or my mobile app, marketplaces or social media. So it depends on your business. So let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design websites? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize design templates. So I'm gonna start from here, so let's get started. So here you can enter your informations, the name, the logo, the email, the address, the phone. Also you can add the social link. You can pick a theme you like, so pick a theme match your business. So you can try something to make your site look attractive for the customers, to attract the customers to your website. Okay, so here you're gonna choose one of these homepage designs here. For example, I'm gonna choose just a random one like this one, and after this you can easily customize the colors and the image on the editor page. Now you can add page to your site. So now wait a few seconds for preparing the homepage design. So now your site is up and running, so go to the editor to complete the design. So as you see here, this is the elements. You can add elements. So first here we have the text, the theme text, the titles, the paragraph, the text mask, and here you have the image. You can upload image or import image as you like. Also the buttons, you can choose the themed buttons, customize the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons. Here you have the decorative, the themed lines, the basic shapes. Okay, here you have the payments section, so you can customize the payment buttons, the PayPal buttons, the payment forms. Okay, so as you see here, you can add elements. Here you can add section. So if you want to add something new, just click here. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Uh, Here you can edit the site design, the color theme and the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. Okay, so now let's move on. So first here we have the header section. So as you see, you can change here. This is your business name. You can change it. You can change the background. You can manage the menu, the horizontal menu. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can change the background, the image on the background, the title, the paragraph. So for example, if you want to change the title, just click here and regenerate another AI text. Just enter here your business type. So for example, art supplies, and create a text. Okay, so you can choose one of these options here, for example the first one, and also you can change this one if you want. So that's it. Let's move on now to the next section. So here, this is the product section, so you can manage the products. Click here and you can add a new products. Okay, so as you see here, click on new products, physical product or digital file. So of course physical product, and now you can add the title of your products, the image and videos. You can add images or videos. You can here enter the product informations, the name, the description. You can customize the pricing options. You can custom the text. Also you can customize the inventory and the shipping. So that's it. After this you can save this place, go back and complete here the design. Okay, so as you see, so here you can this is about section, so you can tell something about the company. So you can regenerate another paragraph here if you want, as you like. You can keep it if you like it. Let's move on. So this is the image section. So you can change the image if you want. Just click on it and you can change from here strip background. Now let's move on to the next. The same thing here, you can change the image if you want. um, for example, okay, I'm gonna choose this one. So that's it. This is the last section here, the footer section. So here just the company name for the copyright and your email, the paragraph. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change here. So after this you can publish your website, and now your site will be published. Now you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.